all of the medicines needed for him to attend here.
Thank you for your generosity, Congressman Abante. Now we will proceed with the discussion on the admin matters. Please
Thank-
proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, sa piyaw na lang po before I proceed, no? Pakisabit din po yung pakicheck nyo rin po yung confinement niya na sinasabi niya yung date na yon.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Chairman, you have been received a copy of the excuse letter coming from Ms. Cassandra Ong, and attached is the recommendation of our medical and dental service in the House, signed by Luis Jose Bautista, Doctor, Director 2. Now, allow me to read the last part of the letter, Mr. Chairman. The patient reported persistent symptoms, including sore throat, mild cough, and middle back pain. We recommend continuing the prescribed medication and management plan for at least 1 more week. So with this, Mr. Chairman, mismo na po yung medical office o officer natin na nag-recommend. So the excuse of Ms. Cassandra Ong is granted, Mr. Chairman. Now, next, Mr. Chairman, we haven't received a copy of a letter coming from for Ms. Alice Go. And may hearing po si Alice Go on November 28 and 29, 2024. Ito lang po yung sinabit niya.
But today is November 27.
Yeah. Today is November 27. Comsec, ano ba yung invitation na bang status dito kay Go?
Yes, sir, invitation.
So, Mr. Chairman,
Sir, according to the court, she has a hearing today, but she will be available on 28 and 29.
why he's not available today?
She has a hearing, sir.
Court hearing.
Hearing.
Yes, sir.
Pero 28, 29 ang hearing, di ba?
That's the
Nakalagay
time
dito?
she is available on that days.
Okay.
On those days.
Please, ano na lang po, please check doon sa branch. No?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Branch of court. Kung talagang may hearing and the presence of Miss Alice Go is there. Please.
Yes, sir.
Comsec.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now, let me take up, Mr. Chairman, the excuse letter of Miss Rose Nonolin. Ito na po, I will just read the second paragraph, Mr. Chairman. This was signed by, I think, si Gion Reyna Montesilio and Ong Siaco Law Office, no? Signed by Cesar Manaraysay and Alma Fernandez Malonga and Maria Luisa Sebastian. Mr. Chairman, allow me to read this second paragraph. We regret to inform the Honorable Committee that Ms. Lin is unavailable to attend the 12th public hearing. She expresses her intent to be of valuable help to the Honorable Committee. In fact, she has exerted efforts to make herself available during the 2 previously canceled public hearings. Unfortunately, Ms. Lin has to attend to an urgent family matter. Ms. Lin has to attend to an urgent family matter that requires her presence abroad on the day of the 12th public hearing. Nonetheless, she continued to assist, blah, 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 etc., and she submitted the documents that was ordered to him last hearing. But, Mr. Chairman, reading this letter, nasa abroad siya today. So, is there a BID representative? BID.
Attorney.
Kindly
Yes, Your Honor.
check once again the latest travel record of Rose Nonolin
Yes, Your Honor.
before bago tayo mag-suspend mamaya, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Para ma-update lang po yung
Yes, Your Honor.
committee.
We will
Because
update
we
the
need it dahil si Rose Nonolin, alam po natin, is principal resource person with regards to drugs and Pogo po.
Pogo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please po. Thank you. And lastly, Mr. Chairman, balikan ko lang po, no? And I think Chairman Akop has something to say about this. The excuse letter from Attorney Mans Carpio. But before, Mr. Chairman, I will leave my time to Chairman Akop. Let me just once again reiterate that the COMSEC, did not send an invitation to Congressman Pulong. But we only, the motion last time by this representation was to send a notice of the hearing. No? Para po malinaw, baka mamaya gagamitin namang issue yan against this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I will leave my time to Chairman Akop with regards to the excuse letter of Attorney Mans Carpio.
Chairman Akop?